So we're getting into our villa, Hang-Igat, Angrid. So this is the entrance of our door. So once you enter, you see the pool, and here.
Hello.
Say anything about this villa.
This villa is called
Angrid. Yes. So this is how it looks from the outside.
It's like a
Design.
temple. We are where we are entering the heaven. In an old style, but air conditioning is there. What do you like it? We have corn also. So the corn for village.
We haven't cooked yet. It's still raw. What else we have?
Some snacks from India.
Some snacks. We got both from home.
Kakra. Then
Now, look outside.
this is our compound. Come here, Jimmy. You can do yoga also. This beautiful place. There's like a big pool. So banana flower. See coconut. Coconut is here. I will take the coconut. This is the compound. Come. It's a backyard of all villa. What is tank? There's a Buddha. Oh, umbrella also there. Umbrella, dreamy. This is like beach umbrella. The huge washroom come back